guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Now today we are making a very interesting drink. We're going to use some snow peas, ginger and apple, and I'm gonna add a lemon to it, which is in the fridge. So let's go and get it. Or maybe I should just pick a lime from my backyard. There's lime on the tree, so I'll figure out which one I want to use. So guys, I've washed all my snow peas. You can see the water, and I washed my apples over here. Didn't even dry them, don't need to. So we are gonna go straight into the drink. But for the snow peas, guys, you can strip this little part off, but I'm gonna make a drink, so I don't think I need to strip those off because it's just gonna come out in trash. And today we are going to be using our Cuvin Revo 830. So let's get into this video. So guys, normally when you're doing a salad, you can just strip the snow peas like this. Pull it off. But we're not doing any salad today, so we're gonna just let them remain just like this. We're gonna pack them in this dish, and then we are going to just cut a piece of this ginger. And we're not gonna peel this ginger today, guys. We don't have no need. I'm just gonna cut off this little part here, this end that dry up, and we're gonna just put them in this bowl. So as for our cucumber, we're gonna slice it in thin strips. And everybody know that this hydrates you, cleans your body with the ginger, and the main ingredients today is the snow peas. And we are going to use our apples for the sweetener. Oh, these ones are small. I should try one of the smaller Cora. See how it works with the smaller apples. So we have two different sizes here. So let's see, maybe this one will work good with the small apple here. Wow, look at this, guys. So with the bigger apples, we can use the bigger Cora. And with the smaller apple, we use the smaller one. And here we have another apple which is even smaller. So we're gonna try this Cora with it. Wow, look at that, guys. So we have 3 different sizes of Cora. Now watch this. This is just the bottle. Take out the bottom of the apple. So we're gonna go on and we're gonna take out the core of our apples, and we're gonna keep going. So guys, I'm trying out a different angle today. With my camera. So we are just gonna core the apples as fast as I can. So these apples are very big, but when you come up on the small ones like these, I'll use a smaller Cora. You notice how the Cora fits over it? So we're gonna just, and it cuts in the fruits so nicely. take your finger, or you take, let me see if this can fit in there. Yeah, this one can fit, and just push it out. So this is the difference. This is the small one, and this is the medium sized one which was broken. So you see, big, small, medium. So guys, I'm just gonna finish coring the apples since I've demonstrated to you. I'm gonna finish coring them off camera, and then we'll start with our juicing. Okay guys, so now we have finished coring all the apples, and we are going to just peel one lemon. And we're going to leave a little bit of the skin, not much, just this bit. So now let's set up our area, and of course, you know, I don't throw away my lime skin. I always leave them to make tea. So we're gonna set up our area now guys, so just give me a few minutes. There we have our area all set up, so let's get into the juicing. And today we are using our Cuvin Revo 830. Let's open the flip gate, and we are going to start by maybe dropping some snow peas and cucumber. Let's see how it goes. We're gonna pop our apple in over this side, and we're gonna turn on our juicer now. So here we are gonna make our first batch of juice, and as you can see, the juice start to accumulate in the mixing bowl. And of course, I'm using my Cuvin Revo 830 high quality food grade plastic. Include BPA free materials like Ultram and Triton. So guys, you can Google that and look it up. So here we are, we'll start to put in our ingredients. We're putting in some snow peas, and if you don't know, snow peas helps to regulate blood sugar spikes. It is good for the heart, it lower cholesterol, it manage blood pressure guys. So who would want to try this drink? So as I said earlier and before, our main ingredient is the snow peas, and it aids in digestion, support healthy gut, and help to prevent constipation. So you can use the trash and make a smoothie after you're finished. But here we are, we have half of a mixing bowl. So let's keep going guys. Everything is looking so green and refreshing. Hope you all will try this health benefit drink. You can always use your trash guys, as I said before, to make a smoothie, and let the bacteria in your gut be happy. Not until you give the gut what it wants, then you'll be sick. You know, you have bloatedness, you have a leaky gut guys. So stay on your greens. So at the present, we can see that our mixing bowl is full, and we are at the moment that we're gonna let our juice out. Guys, we are going to let out our first batch of juice, which is ginger, cucumber, apple, and the snow peas. Here you have it guys. So we are going to go into our second batch of juice, So we are going to pop some snow peas in. Let's see if they can hold in this side. I guess we're going to have to break them. And we are going to turn the juicer on. So now we have popped some cucumbers in, and that helped to lower blood pressure also due to their high content of potassium. Cucumber also helps with the managing of sodium and reduce fluid in the bloodstream. So there you have it, guys. Do your own research. I do juicing a lot. I love to make fresh juice with my Cuvin Revo 830. So guys, join me and let's go on this juice journey. So now we're gonna pop in my lemon, and we are going to put in some snow peas. So the antioxidant in cucumbers may also play a role in slowing down the progression of diabetes and have a positive effect on blood pressure. But guys, if you are on medication, check with your doctor and do your own research. I used to have blood pressure, but I do my research and start my juicing journey. And if the juice is too sweet, guys, remember to add water to it to your liking. Well, this juice that I'm making today, it's not going to be sweet. I'm using some green apples, and they are not sweet, but it's good. And the ginger keep inflammation away from the body, and the apple a day keep the doctor away. So guys, we are almost ready to let out our juice, and the mixing bowl is full, as you can see. We are going to let out our second batch of juice. Look at how green and nice it is. So guys, remember, the apple is the sweetener, and if it's too sweet, because you have some apples that are sweet, just add some water to it of your choice, whether you want to have filter water, whichever. I use the filtered one, which is best. So let's continue. We have a few apples left, which is over here, and we're gonna just put this through the juicer. This jug is full, so we are gonna put it aside, and we're gonna put this one. However, this one is a new one, because this one tend to have a little crack. It's not broken, but I saw a little small crack, so I just said let me just buy a new one in case. So let's get into the juicing. So all the water in cucumber will keep you hydrated, and with the apples, just top it off. So the fiber is good for you, and it helps with constipation, and it's a good source of vitamin K that keep blood clots away. So who would want to feed their body on things like this? Let's pop some more fruits in and keep going. It also helps with bone health. It has vitamin A and help with your vision and your immune system. So this is a overall healthy drink for your entire body. So if you notice, all these ingredients have similar benefits, like the ginger help with heart, manage blood sugar, support the immune system, and help with pain. Look at our juice in the juicer. It's half a mixing bowl. We are getting there, guys. Let me give you a close-up look on what's been squeezed and crushed. So there's no sugar added to my juice. I don't use sugar. And of course, ginger help with bloating. And it is better when you do it raw. You can make ginger tea, but I prefer to juice it. For instance, I refer to some ginger shots that I've made before. I will link them in the description so you can watch those videos. So it's our time to let our juice out. Now we are letting out our third batch of juice. Here we go, guys. And I'm gonna turn the juicer on and pump the rest of it out. So we are gonna serve our drink. I've decorated it with some of the aloe vera flowers from outside. So now we're gonna pour the other juice into the next glass jug, we call it. And we're gonna just pop our straws in. And guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and share with a friend. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Let's give you all a close-up look. That's a close-up look. Bye for now. Leave a comment. I love reading my comments. Give a thumbs up, and if you want, you can join this channel to support everything that I make on here. See you in another video, guys. Bye bye bye. I'm out.